G'day everybody, Matt Moate here, and welcome to day one of my LinkedIn challenge. Really excited to have a real exciting and diverse group of people joining in on this challenge. And if you're only seeing this for the first day, I'll be running it from today, Monday, through to Friday this week, and putting up a small challenge for you to do each of those days to help you create more connections, but more importantly, focus on creating more deeper and more meaningful connections within your network. So today's challenge might seem really simple, but it's actually a really, really important thing to do on your LinkedIn profile and to think about so that you can actually attract people's attention onto your profile, onto your business, etc. Now, what I'm talking about is when you comment or post or like on anyone's on LinkedIn, the first three things that people will see about you, especially those people who don't know who you are or what you do, they're going to see three things. They're going to see your profile picture, they're going to see your name, and everyone loves to judge a book by its cover. And the third thing they're going to see is what LinkedIn call is your headline. Now, your headline is typically defaulted as your most current role. So you might be a marketing manager, you might be a sales director, you might be a CEO or a managing director. Well, you know what, guys? Nobody really cares what your position is. What we care about as individuals is what you do and how you might be able to help me. Now, you might have realized and seen on my profile, my headline is making the wine world better, one connection at a time. Now, I've had that for quite some time, and it's actually generated some really interesting discussions. What does that actually mean? Well, I help connect my customers with the wine industry so they can help accelerate the adoption of their innovation and technology. Now, everybody wants access and connection, so it makes my profile interesting for people because they think, I want to engage with this guy because he can connect me with people that I need to be connected with. So that's the value that I deliver to my customers and to my community and industry. So have a think about, ultimately and fundamentally at the highest level, I guess, is what do you do for your customers that has impact? And put that and change it as your tagline. Now, we don't want a massive long tagline. Really simple thing. I do something and this is what it achieves. Or I achieve this by doing this. Really quite simple. Simon Sinek often says it's about your why. The people buy your why. They don't buy your what. And I completely agree with that. You should really be thinking about, why am I doing this? What do I deliver value for? So today's challenge, I want you to really think about that. Keep it really short so it can be seen as soon as you post a comment. Your whole tagline is seen, not a ... and then they've got to go into your profile, but a really short and simple, this is the value I deliver to my customers, to my network, to my industry, to my workplace. It's got to be something that's going to go, I want that. I can see there's value in connecting with that person. And I would think that when you've done that, you'll start to gradually see over the next few weeks, months even, that you'll start seeing more people actually just looking at your profile just to have a squiz because it's really enticing what you're trying to share with them. So change that headline. Then down below, I want you to say, what do you think of my new headline? Or check my new headline out, something like that. And I'll have a look at it and we'll see what everyone's thoughts are about our little challenge today and look forward to chatting with you tomorrow. Cheers.